What's up with it, Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today we're gonna talk about the beard, you know what I'm saying? Or should I say the BroTee? Let's get into the results of where I come from. As you can see, I got a lot of vellus hairs and, you know what I'm saying, growth. I can't stop cutting my beard, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why. I'm the type that I have good results and good progress, you know what I'm saying? And then one day I'm like, hey, I wanna see what I look like this way, and you know what I'm saying? And y'all know how it is. But yeah, you know, all these vellus hairs coming down here. You know, I didn't have that before when I first started out. And even on this side, you can see a lot of new growth, vellus hairs coming in. You know, I can grow the beard now. The Minoxidil got me to where I can grow the beard. So now I'm just playing around and seeing what I can do with the Minoxidil, see how thick I can get it. I mean, tell me down below in the comments. The Minoxidil been doing my BroTee pretty good. My mustache is pretty good, you know what I'm saying? No problems there. I can, you know, the connectors are there too. I trim everything. I know I shouldn't do it, but it start with me, you know, cutting down the sides of my beard just a little bit just to have that big goatee. I don't know why. I don't know why I don't keep the progress of the beard going, but hey, I'm still rocking with the BroTee, you know what I'm saying, the beard goatee, and I'm gonna keep that. I'm not gonna, you know, shave my face bald or do anything crazy like that. I wanna keep the manly look about me, you know what I'm saying, because if I cut all this off, I'm gonna look like a teenager or something close around there, like young 20s at least. But for comparison, this is what I used to look like, you know what I'm saying, and this is me with a beard. Yeah, thanks to Minoxidil, and this is what I'm rocking with now. As y'all can see, the BroTee is good. It's coming in real good, thick, all under the neck. I didn't used to be able to grow anything other than the neck. It's all the way to the back, you know what I'm saying, on both sides. Can't complain, you know what I mean? Give y'all a slow motion look. You already know. And like I said, guys, I'm gonna continue to use the Minoxidil. I got the foam right here. You can use the foam or the liquid. And I use my finger to put it on, you know, to apply it. But I always use my finger with the foam. I don't do it with the oil. I use the little oil dripper and just rub it in on my face and do that. But I don't know. Y'all let me know down below. Is the goatee or the BroTee doing its thing, you know what I'm saying? Or do I need to just, you know, go on and grow the full beard and get that burly beard look? See, my beard don't grow that thick and it takes a little long to grow. So maybe if I left my beard alone and just let it grow and never touch it, it'll go on and get, you know, pretty big. Maybe I ain't saying this big, but it, you know, it could get pretty thick. It'll get about as thick as my goatee is, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, it's pretty thick. You know what I mean? So imagine this all over my face. It'll probably get like that. But I never let it get that far. I don't know why. I kind of want to see how thick I can get my goatee, you know what I'm saying? Like if I can get it down here, you know, real thick, that'll be kind of cool, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna get it too crazy because a goatee all the way down here, oh, who knows? Who knows, you know what I'm saying? It might be in then, you know, whenever I grow mine, it could be in, who knows? I don't know. I don't see a lot of people rocking the BroTee, and, you know, to each his own, you know, I like it. I see a lot of people do videos and say, you know, they don't really dig the goatee. Some people do dig the goatee, but you know, this is the BroTee. This is like a beard goatee, because I don't got it cut off. Most people rock their goatee like half of this, and they come up, you know, keep it connected and all that. But me, my goatee going all the way to the back because it's a BroTee on hood. But anyway, I don't want to be too long-winded on this video, you know what I'm saying? I think I explained enough about the BroTee, you know what I'm saying? I got the locks popping, we good. Everything good, you know what I'm saying? So comment down below, let me know where you are in your Minoxidil stage. Have you cut your beard? Do you got the BroTee? Do you got a goatee? You know, is your mustache looking good? Let me know what you want to work on. Obviously, I need to work more on my cheeks. What? Pause. Obviously, I need to work more on the side of my face. You know, the cheeks on my face, you know what I mean? But anyway, let me know down below what y'all think about this video. Give your boy a like, hit that subscribe button, and hey, I'm gonna be dropping some more bangers for y'all. Y'all stay tuned. It's your boy Trey bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.